Let's generate an email template on Keplers Launchpad. So click on AI Templates under Launchpad and write a short and crisp prompt. Create an OTP verification email for users with a button, and click on Generate. Here you go. Keplers has generated an OTP verification starter email template. Now let's edit. Let's remove these blocks and check how Keplers has created a parameter for OTP. Let's bring in an image block. You need to enter the image URL here. Just note, PNG, JPG, or SVG formats are not supported as these formats are restricted in Mailflow. Adjust the width and height of the image and reduce the padding. Let's decrease the padding of the email body. Now, let's change the button background color, here setting it to a darker tone of green. Now, let's see how to edit the email body text. Editing the text to "Please contact our support team at support@keplers.email." Now, let's style this email address text. In the code view, just give inline styling to the text. We've used a span tag here. So you can change any styling from simple to complex, or even just directly paste your own code in the HTML editor to check how it looks, edit it if you want, and then save the template. Preview it in different screen sizes. Under Settings, you can change the overall font style, and yes, more fonts are coming soon. You can also change the background color of the whole template, as well as the background colors of individual blocks, either matching or different from the main background. Let's bring in a text block and style it from scratch. Here's the text. Let's style the word Keplers and make it font weight to bold and text decoration underlined. You can also add a link to this text using the A link tag and modify anything in the code editor. Let's change the total background color back to white for both the main and each block, as that looks much cleaner. Let's adjust the padding of the footer block. Save it under a category and give it a name. So here's your OTP verification transactional email template ready to use. Generate your template today with Keplers.